Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivosmart 4 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smartband from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that the smartband is paired with. So let's tap on the Connect icon to open the Garmin Connect. Once you open the app, you can tap on the icon of your Vivosmart 4 right here at the top, or you can tap on Menu and then tap on Garmin devices and select your Vivosmart 4 from the list of devices. Once you see the device page, tap on the menu icon right here, tap on Remove Device, tap on Remove and wait. Once you see this pop up on the screen, you can tap Close, close the app, open the settings on your phone. In settings, find the Bluetooth settings or connected devices right here and check if you have the Vivosmart 4 right here on the list. If you have the Vivosmart 4 on the list, tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on Forget and tap on Forget Device and repeat it if you have more than one, like that. And once you're done, you can close the settings. And that's how you unpair this smartband from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.